everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, which is Simply Bhagyashree. Thank you so much guys for showing immense love and support. It really means a lot to me. So today I'm going to show you my skincare routine that I follow while I'm shooting or while I'm on set. This is going to be a fun video because firstly, the products I'm using are really affordable. There is going to be a magic tip at the end of the video for every one of you, even the boys. Yes, for boys also. This is going to be a savior when it comes to skincare. It is going to save your time, it is going to save your money, it is going to save your energy. So do not skip the video, watch until the end, and yes, let's go. Hello guys. So first I'm going to apply Gulabari, which is rose water. This really helps in calming down the skin, the pores, and it acts as a good toner. The next I am going to apply moisturizer, which is from Jovies. This is very light moisturizer actually. It doesn't greases your skin and is very light. But it also moisturizes your skin very nicely. And now I'm going to add another layer of moisturizer from Pond's because the makeup is going to be really heavy, so I want my skin to be nicely properly hydrated. What happens is while shooting, the makeup stays on for the entire day, so it really becomes very necessary to make sure that the makeup doesn't cracks up or it doesn't look flaky at the end of the day. So the moisturizing really helps in keeping your makeup intact for longer periods. The next thing I'm going to put on my face is sunscreen. Here I'm using sunscreen from Lakme, which is matte, and here I'm using this sunscreen as a primer, because I don't want the makeup to come in direct contact with my skin. Obviously after before starting makeup I'm going to apply a primer, but because I'm prepping my skin up for the makeup, I am using sunscreen as a primer. So I am going to prime my face twice. So yes, that's how I prep my skin up for this makeup while I'm shooting. So you can see how my skin is looking nicely prepped up and hydrated. This is very important step before you apply makeup, any sort of makeup guys, because if your skin is fresh and healthy, the makeup is going to look amazing. The skin is going to look amazing. So that is my skincare routine that I'm following at present. So the Pond's Light Moisturizer that I'm using, this is really light on my skin, but it simultaneously hydrates my skin. It does not dries up my skin even after prolonged hours of makeup. So this is really amazing moisturizer that I have come across. Second thing, the important thing is, because while shooting the makeup has to stay for longer periods, though there are touch-ups on and on, but what happens is your skin gets dried up and your makeup starts settling into your creases and under your eyes, or in your crevices, also on your upper lip area. So what happens is, if your skin is not properly prepped up, your makeup might end up looking flaky or cakey or dried up. So that is not good, right? So this is the simple yet quality skincare I think we must all follow. So now I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup. Very important thing is, because the makeup is heavy and the products used in the makeup are high-end products, it is really not easy to remove the makeup with one single product. Here I follow a double cleansing routine, which is very important when it comes to removing the makeup. It is very important that you remove entire makeup and nothing is left on your skin. Hi, I'm back again. So now I'm going to show you how I remove my makeup. First, I'm going to use baby oil from Johnson & Johnson. Just make sure that you really nicely massage that oil on your face so that the makeup melts properly and just comes out without rubbing harshly, okay? Now I'm going to take a wet wipe. Guys, you can use any wet wipe that suits your skin. Also, the makeup removing wipes are, better ones. But here I'm using a normal wet wipe to take out all the makeup and oil from my face. I know this is a lot of makeup. There are hundreds of touch-ups before every shot, so there has to be this much of makeup. The next step I'm using here is Garnier Micellar Water. Actually, I follow double cleansing routine here. So first I take off my makeup with oil and then I just rub my face with the micellar water to make sure that nothing is left. Now I just washed my face and I'm just patting it dry. So now back to the basics. Now I'm again using Gulabri to calm down my skin, my pores. This really feels amazing. And the last step, which is moisturizing. So while the moisturizer is getting absorbed into my skin, I am applying a lip balm from Nykaa again. So I'm done. So now it's time for a magic tip. Are you ready? Yes? So let's go. So what you're going to need is a handkerchief and ice cubes. Yes, that's it. So what you're going to do is take 2 ice cubes and wrap it in your handkerchief nicely and then just go all over your face and do this every day, okay? Every day. I promise that your skin is going to thank you for this. So this is known as skin icing. We actually rub the ice on our face and this has got really great benefits. Actually, this is the most easiest thing that I have come across and I rigorously follow this since few months, and I would like to tell you that this has worked great for my skin. I will tell you the benefits of skin icing, which are it reduces the oiliness of your skin. If you have got oily skin, this is the great option. Just add this to your skincare and your skin will thank you, trust me. Because what happens is when you rub ice on your face, it really gives your skin the freshness. It really gives your skin the glow, and it reduces the oiliness. Secondly, it increases the blood circulation, okay, which is the most important when it comes to skincare. Third, it reduces the signs of aging. Can you believe this? Because as you rub the ice on your face, what happens is your large pores, they get diminished, they get blurred out completely. And what happens is the acne problems, if you're facing acne problems, this is also the great alternative to just try this out and let me know how it turned out for your skin. Skin, I think, also helps you in giving that perfect glow. I would definitely show you my pictures before and after. Even if you are feeling lazy, you can get your skincare routine done within 2 minutes. Like, wash your face, rub the eyes on your face, and just dab a little bit of moisturizer. That's it. So this is one of the affordable skincare you can follow. Even the guys, boys, you can also follow these steps, because even you need to take your skincare routine seriously. Yes. So follow this skincare and do let me know how it turned out for you guys, okay? And I think it will turn out amazing, okay? Just trust me. Last but not the least, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Share this video as much as possible. Share this magic tip as much as possible with your people, so that let everyone enjoy the beautiful skin, okay?